Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today we have a very unique and discerning device for you. It's from Ulefone, and this is the latest model, M15, and this one is the first large phone device that's with TWS earbuds, true wireless stereo earbuds. So today we will have here is the device, and it's the customized the case for this largest device. And today we will have a very quick, very simple unboxing video on this device. We will unbox it, and then we will have a different test on this device. So first, let's unbox it and check what's inside this. Yes, inside this box. So here, first let's have let's do it from the smartphone. So this is the M15 box, and as we can see, this box is totally different compared to the normal phones we have checked and we've reviewed. For this one, it have a very attractive yellow color, and also here is the model name, and here is I think they use the element of, I think here it's like a tire, and also the shape is a bit similar to the shoe print. Yes, like a shoe print, the print of our shoes. And also we can find here they put a special sticker here, built-in TWS earbuds, and also here we can find the IP68 proof icons here as well. And today we have the Tech Blue, they call it Tech Blue edition. And yes, also here we can find a lot of main features of this phone: IP6, the IP rating, the built-in TWS, and the processor Helio G35, RAM and ROM 6 plus 128GB RAM and ROM, the screen 5.445 HD plus display, and also we can find the camera information: 12 megapixel plus 13 megapixel real camera system, 16 megapixel front camera, and it also supports face unlock and fingerprint ID, and it have a 6600 big battery, and also it's powered by Android 12. Okay, so this is the main main features about this device. So next, let's unbox it. Okay, so here, let's unbox it, and after we open the box, here we find there's a cable. So this is it's the cable. Yes, they use the red Type-C to USB cable. Yes, and also to provide a black rope cordage. Yes, so there's a hole we can use this to fix the phone, to hook the phone. Yes, also here provide a cable. A charger. So this let's see if we can find the charging information here. Yes, this is the okay. So here we find the information that they provide a 15-watt fast charger. Maybe not fast charger, 15 charging speed charger, 15-watt charger here. And also under the charger we find special tools. I think this is used for opening the SIM card slot. Yes, because for the large device, the pluggers and will plug in, and not so easy to open it. So they use this tool for us, for the customers, to easily open the SIM card slot or the pluggers or the stoppers of the large device. Okay, so this is the main accessories within this box: the cable, the rope to hook the lanyard hole of the phone, and the charger. And also now here is the smartphone, and before we check smartphone, we can also find there are some other stuff on the smartphone. Here is the Ulefone temperate glass screen protector, and to be frank, this screen protector is much better than other devices I have checked, because I think this is a customized. First, it's customized screen protector, and also it's much more easier for you to fix it to the phones. I think you just need to easy steps to fix it. So yes, and also besides this screen protector, they provide a lot of user manuals and papers for us to using. First is the safety promote card, MO, and I find some very useful information here. Yes, you know, due to the here, yes, safety information, and also a warranty card and the phone charging instruction of phone charging. And I think for these people, yes, they provide a very useful information here, because due to the limitation of adaptation safety, so on the battery power, so the battery should keep within 30% when the phone is delivered. So we know that most of the devices or the phones, the battery will keep within 30% when it's delivered to the air or to other transportation tools. So this is for the safety of the charging and the phone batteries. And also they also provide this phone MOE15 user manual, and also they provide multifunction instructions of this. And I think this is for the customized key instructions. And also here they provide MO15 U-bars inside. So this is the TWS. They introduced the TWS, the multifunction touch key here, and the ear tips here, and the charging ends here, and the microphone indicate light here. So this is for the TWS within the smartphone. And so this is the old stuff inside this box. And then let's go to the smartphone. Yes, so this is the MO15 from Ulefone, and today we got the Tech Blue edition. And here is this phone. So another phone is inside a good quality plastic bag, and during the plastic bag you also find a lot of information. The IP rating, the TWS, the processor, RAM and ROM, screen, camera, fingerprint, battery, and Android system. So let's check this phone out. And then finally, the phone is, wow, another screen protector. The phone is in front of us. Okay, let's peel off the screen protector, and then finally we can see the phone appearance, the phone designs. So we will talk on this phone from several aspects. First, appearance, the design, then the processor, then the camera, the battery, and also the display, the fingerprint. So first, let's talk on the design. So I think this phone they provide a unique and discerning appearance, because as we can see, there's in the back cover, there's three main parts here, here, and here. This is a blue, and this blue back cover is shining. It's not standard polishing material, but it's shining, and we can get the different angles. We can find the cover is shining. And also this part is the camera zone part. As we can see, they provide the dual rear camera system and also the LED light. And also here is here is a screw. Yes, screw to fix the I think this part. And also this part, we can find the certification and the recyclable icons. And also here there's a hole here. We can use this rope to hook it, so it's very convenient for the outdoor users. And besides this part, I think another main. We go to the front part, and here is your dual speaker system. Yes, it's use the symmetrical design. This is the receiver and the speaker here. Yes, also here is the front camera, and totally front design is okay. Let's wake up. It's a bit similar to the racing car design. It's fashion. It's very fashion. It uses the fashion design, and also they combine the fashion with the rugged element. Lots of element of rugged here. Element from tire. The lines are bombered, and also here the screen part is synced into, it's lower than this part, so this can well protect the screen of the camera. And also here from this angle we can find that the screen, the front screen is also synced into the bumpers of the frame of this rugged device. So when you drop it from different angles, it can well protect the device from this angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can well protect it and reduce the shock of the airs. So it can the screen will not broken. And also when you from this angle or this angle, the front screen or the real camera screen will not be broken. So it's well designed for the rugged. And also here is also used the special dot and line, special lines. It's also have rugged fittings also here. And another rugged element is here. I think for the buttons, the volume buttons, they also use the screw element designed language. Okay, maybe we can change another angle. Yes, here you have cross design on the volume buttons. So it's also cool and also provide rugged fittings of the MO15. Yes. Also about the appearance, I think we need got this. We need to talk about this because they provide a MO case or rugged designed case for this smartphone. Here it's a case. We can fix like this. Wow, so it can be more protected, more rugged when we use this case. Yes, here it's much more like the frontier of the racing cars. And yes, here lot of bumper doors. Here it's much more much more feelings about the rugged. And also beside this case they provide two other tools. This is the back clamp. Yes, we can use it like this. Okay. Use it like this. Here. Okay. So when we fix it, and also I can show you the instructions of these cases. So these have two. So it provide two tools. This one is partially put the back clamp into the slot and push up the back clamp into the top of the slot, rotate the clamp to change different angles, and then heavily press the top of the clamp and push down the clamp until the button. So it shows us how to use it. We can adjust the angles when we fix it, and it can be fixed to the other object like this. So it's very convenient, and I think for some special workers like jobbers like police or like the workers, they want to work in the mine or some special industries. They use this device to fix it to their clothes or to their trousers, so it will be fixed very well. And okay, let's try to get it out. And here they also provide a bar kit. I think it's a hook for the outdoors. And yes, here they also provide the instructions here. Previously put the barcode of the carabiner into the slot. Push up the barcode until the top of the slot. So it's like this. Yes, same. Okay. Yes. Now it's locked. So we can use this hook. You hook it into different places in your bag or in your other object. It will be not easy to drop when you climbing mountains or when you hiking. So you can use this, yes, to lock it and to hook it to your bag. So it's very convenient when you go outdoors. So yes, not easy to get it out. It will locked. Okay, so now let's get it out as well. So it's when we use this and this special case, this phone is much better. Rogered fittings, much better Rogered fittings. And when we don't use it, it's a combination of fashion, like the sport racing element, and also the Rogered. So it's very cool on the design part. Okay, so we talk a lot on the designs. And yes, so this is the very quick and very simple unboxing video of this Rogered device. And next video we will talk on the specifications of this model, and we will have a deep test on the IP68 rating and also the camera part. And thanks for watching for this part, and let's stay tuned and check the next videos of this Rogered device, the MO 15. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.